So if you are looking to buy yourself an indoor security camera in this ongoing Amazon sale and you have like a budget of maybe less than 2000 rupees, well, I think the Qubo smartcam 360 should be your definite choice. And the reason for that being, I have been using this camera from the past 1 month and it has completely impressed me considering the immense value for money this brings to you when you buy this camera for yourself. Starting off with the fact that this has provided me a seamless wireless connection, because no matter where I am, even around the globe technically, I can easily access the camera remotely and view the recording, and even pan and tilt the camera remotely to view or to access the different areas of the room. There was no lag or latency with the wireless connection, and this has turned out to be a very reliable camera in terms of connectivity. Another excellent thing about this camera is the instant and the real-time notifications. Now the good thing is this supports a AI person detection, which basically minimizes false alerts. So the AI smartly recognizes if it's a person moving in front of the camera or just a random object and sends you the notification accordingly, and the notifications, as we previously, are pretty much instantaneous and you can immediately take a look at the person who was walking or moving right in front of the camera lens. This camera also gets motion detection, so just want to track some motion, this gives alerts for that as well, so you can easily access and view any motion in that particular room. Another crazy good thing about this camera is that this supports memory cards up to 1 TB. That gives you like months and months worth of local storage. But just in case, if you're someone who feels very insecure with the local storage, maybe at the thought of the camera being stolen or damaged, this also provides you a cloud storage support with subscription plan, so basically eliminating the need to have a local storage. Additionally, one more important and a very underrated feature of this camera is the privacy mode. So if you don't want the camera to record a certain activity or a certain person in that particular room, you can easily enable the privacy mode within the app and it basically turns off the camera. No recording anymore. That's good now, isn't it? So this is a very thoughtful and a very practical feature implemented by Qubo and will be definitely useful for most of you. Also, if you have been watching my videos, I very recently had bought up a comparison video of the Qubo smartcam with the CP Plus and the Tapo camera. And in most aspects and in most regards, the Qubo smartcam turned out to be a much better contender. And of course, the rest of the aspects regarding the camera also made this a very fine choice compared to the other two cameras. So all in all, coming in at a price of about less than 1700 rupees and probably much lesser in this Amazon sale, this is truly a value for money choice. And if you're considering an indoor security camera around the price bracket of 1500, you should definitely go ahead with the Qubo smartcam 360. The purchase links are provided right down below in the description. So based on my personal usage, based on my personal testing from the past 1 month, I'm completely happy and satisfied with the performance of this indoor security camera, and it has served its purpose really well for my particular requirement. So go ahead and grab it right now before somebody else does, and go ahead and grab it before this Amazon sale ends. And if you do have any doubts or queries regarding this camera, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if this video has helped you out in making the correct purchase decision, go ahead, hit that subscribe button right now, smash that like button, and share this video with all your friends who are looking for an indoor security camera under the price bracket of 1700 rupees. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.